What's up, guys? Joe and Frank, 450 Sports, and I'm live with break 928 Artifacts 1314. That's a double box break. And right after this break, we'll have Black Diamond and SP Game
I'm
News.
feeling a 99 tonight.
Yeah? I hope so. But first, let's do the artifact. Ten packs per box, 4 cards per pack, 1 hit per pack. Good luck. First pack. We start with a rookie numbered 999 for the Florida Panthers. Nick Bjugstad. Second pack. We have a treasure swatches for the Montreal Canadiens. Rafael Diaz. Third pack. We have a red for the San Jose Sharks, number 299. Joe Thornton. Next, we have a green, number 99 for the Colorado. Chet Pickard is Nashville Predators? Chet? Calvin is Colorado.
That's Nashville.
Yeah. Nashville Predators, Chet Pickard, number 299. Next, we have a Brendan Gallagher, rookie, number 999. Montreal Canadian. Brendan Gallagher. Yeah, that's Brendan Gallagher.
Brendan Gallagher, we got yours.
Yeah, next pack, we have a jersey for the Boston Bruins, number 36, Nathan Norton. Next, we have a Jean-Sébastien Giguère, number 299, Colorado Avalanche. Hey, don't touch. Pack number 8. Pack number 8. We have a auto fax for the Philadelphia Flyers, Jay Rosehill. I think he's a fighter. Philadelphia Flyers. Yeah, that's a fighter right there. Pack number 9. We have a redemption, and Francois is going to check out for us. It's redemption 232. Francois is going to check.
232?
Yeah. Pack number 10. We have a Tundra Tandems for the Boston Bruins, Tuukka Rask and Zdeno Chara. Let's do box number 2.
Boom Jenner.
So this goes to the Columbus Blue Jackets, 232. It's Boone Jenner, Columbus Blue Jackets. Let's do box number 2. Why do you do that? First pack, box 2. We have a Tundra Tandem for the Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall and Jordan Eberle. And we also have a base card, number 399 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Michael Frolik. So 2 hits in this pack. Pretty good. Pretty good. Let's see. We have a red. Who the hell goes Keith Ollie? For the Toronto Maple Leafs, number 299, Keith Ollie. You sure?
Sure.
Third pack. Oh, nice. For the St. Louis Blues, number to 999, Vladimir Tarasenko.
Vlad, the Impaler.
Next, we have a base card number to 299, Detroit Red Wings, Chris Osgood. The hell is that? We have a redemption, so Francois's gonna check out for us. It's redemption 237. Please check that for us. 237. 237. Yep. Next, we have a rookie number to 299 for the Carolina Hurricane, Ryan Murphy.
C'est Freddie Hamilton, San Jose Sharks.
So this goes to the San Jose Sharks, Freddie Hamilton. 13-14, Evander Kane était avec. So we have a jersey number to 36, Evander Kane. This goes to Winnipeg. Winnipeg Jets. Next, we have a base card, green, number to 99, Edmonton Oilers. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. 2 packs left. Oh, ho, 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 nice. We have a patch, number to 9. This is number 4 out of 9. Nicholas Lidstrom. Number 4 out of 9 for Detroit. 2-color patch. We have a 1-color patch and a 2-color patch. That's not that bad. But still a nice hit for Detroit. And the last pack. We have the auto packs for the LA Kings. Trevor Lewis. So that's it for artifacts. I'll be right back in 2 minutes with the Black Diamond break.